How to scan QR code on iPhone. So here is how to scan a QR code on your iPhone using two simple methods. So let's get started. The first one is to use the Control Center QR code scanner. Swipe down from the top right corner of your screen to open the Control Center on your mobile device. Once inside the Control Center, tap the QR code scanner icon. It looks like a small square with corners. Point your camera at the QR code. It will instantly detect and open the link or action. After that, all you have to do is go back to the home screen for the second method. You can use the built-in camera app, which is the fastest way. Open the camera app on your iPhone and point it steadily at the QR code. Make sure it is clearly visible. Wait a moment, a notification banner will appear at the top, and tap the banner to open the link, website or app connected to the QR code. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.